Diksha. What is Diksha? Dana and Kshapana, these two categories constitute Diksha. Dana, bestowing of Shiva Bhava, giving self-realization, and Kshapana, removal of ignorance, removal of separation. Broadly, Vayaviya Samhita gives you three structures of Diksha because there are infinite ways, many varieties of Diksha, but these three basically sum up all different types of Diksha: Shambhavi Diksha, Shakti Diksha, and Mantri Diksha. Shambhavi Diksha like Shambhava Upaya, and Shakti Diksha almost like Shakta Upaya, and Mantri Diksha like Anava Upaya, and taking on to progress by means of mantras. What is Shambhavi Diksha? Guror Aloka Matrena. I have experienced that just by merely the gaze of the Guru. Gurur Aloka Matrena Sparsat Sambhasanadapi, or by a mere touch, or by simply speaking with him, or him simply calling you. Sadhyaha sanjayate jnanam sadiksha sambhavi mata. Sadhyaha sanjayate jnanam. You have an instantaneous realization, that is called Shambhavi initiation. Guror aloka matrena sparsat sambhasanadapi. Guror aloka, by a mere gaze, mere seeing, having the Guru casting his gaze upon you. Sparsat, by simply touching. Sambhasana, by speaking with you. Sadhya sanjayate jnanam, that there comes the realization, that is instantaneous. And this is the Shambhavi Diksha. The second Diksha is the Shakti Diksha. The Shakti Diksha is where the Guru is able to enter into the heart of Shishya and inspire him. Then there is like by means of yoga, and he transmits that knowledge, that is called Shakti Diksha. Shakti Jnanavati Diksha. Shakti Diksha is the Diksha in the form of knowledge. This is a process of refining objectified consciousness to pure consciousness. This is the Diksha of the Krama. In this Diksha, Guru himself, by means of speech or by means of pure will, enters into the domain of Shishya heart and uplifts the Shishya, boosts his energy upward, helps him rise his energy or Kundalini upward, and then takes him to the highest planes of realization, and that is called Shakti Diksha. This is by the Guru's Jnana Chakshus, the eyes of knowledge, this insight. And the third type of Diksha, Mantri Kriyavati Diksha. The third Diksha is the Kriyavati Diksha. There's just activities, actions, a lot of rituals, externalization, mandalas. You have kundas, so you have Agni Kriya, the fire ritual. You have the drawing of the mandalas. All these external rituals, as you can see, it fits very well within Andava Upaya. And this is what is called Mantri Diksha. So all other forms of Diksha broadly fall under these three categories.
For more free teachings from Charles Taneshwar, visit www.vimshafoundation.org.